70 million courtyard upgrade for Devon House. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Jamaican government is planning to spend $70 million to enhance the courtyard at Devon House in St. Andrew. The Minister of Tourism, Edmund Bartlett, is expected to address when he makes his presentation in Parliament. His team broke ground for the undertaking at Devon House on Thursday. Bartlett told reporters that the work is expected to be completed within 6 months.
This morning we broke ground for an expanded and spruced up, if you will, courtyard. What we're trying to do is to reposition and repurpose the courtyard here to make it a really exciting and aesthetically pleasing area where our young people, our children can come and the visitors as well, to not just enjoy the gastronomy fair that we have in the area, you know, the wonderful products from the brick oven, you know, the Devon House ice cream, the Devon House duppy that we're about to launch shortly, and the various other culinary delights that are in this immediate area. But to sort of make this a point of excellence in Devon House. See, we're going to spend 70 million Jamaican dollars on building out the experience, and we expect that the construction will be finished within 6 months, so that we will have it open and ready for Jamaica 60 activities this year. It's an important first phase of a second development strategy that we have for Devon House, which I will speak about in my budget presentation. But just for what today is, it's to enhance the aesthetic experience here at Devon House and to provide us with a place for relaxed, casual eating rather than, you know, formal or sit-down dining.
According to the Tourism Minister, the purpose of the project is to reposition and repurpose the courtyard area for a better dining and shopping experience. The minister said that its completion is expected to align with the Jamaica 60 celebration, as the courtyard makes 60 years of independence this year. Links 007 TV News will continue to track this and provide you with more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.